Assalamu alaikum, student of grade 6. I hope you're all fine, feeling well, and I hope you're having good time at your home. I also hope that you spent your Eid so well, and you're also following the rules regarding the coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hand for at least 20 seconds when you come from outside, and let's start our today's lesson. We had covered our lesson till the basics of a computer, the operating system, and today we are going to learn about the more basic concepts of a computer. Again, then we'll start from the operating system. Okay, now today we'll start from the ROM, the read-only memory. That it's a wake-up call when you turn on your computer to a PC. The first program that runs is set to instruction kept in the computer's read-only memory. Basically, when you turn on your computer, so the first thing that your computer runs is to read your memory, and it will it start your operating system. Basically, the random the read only memory that memorize all the work you had done in your computer. Like I have this laptop, and when I shut down my laptop and again I turn on my computer, all my work is saved in my computer. So that is the work of a ROM. Whatever you do, whatever you save or write, whatever you do, the read-only memory save it and save it, and it doesn't forget like the ROM do. Where in the ROM, after you like I'm doing the work in Google Chrome, in OBS Studio, in Adobe Reader. When I close my or shut down my PC laptop, so the ROM will what will ROM do? The ROM will forget all the work and it will start the operating system from the beginning. While the ROM doesn't forget whatever you save in your computer. So that is the difference between the ROM and the RAM. So when you first turn on your computer, the ROM will set the instruction and kept in computer will set the instructions and kept in the read-only memory. Okay, it checks to make sure everything is functioning properly. It will check the functions like this operating system, my this Windows, it is working properly or not. And then it will check the CPU memory basic input output, that is called BIOS. Basic input output BIOS. It will check the hardware, it will check the software, either it is working properly or not. Because in most of the cases, when there is like there's in so many cases when your keyboard is not attached, when your mouse is not attached, it will give the BIOS will give you a error that your keyboard is not connect, your mouse is not connect, kindly press any key to continue, and errors like that. Okay, once successful, the software will begin to activate the computer disk drive. It will begin with the activate the disk drive, and then it will find the first piece of operating system, the bootstrap. Means it is first start the operating system, and then it will load the bootstrap. Now, booting the PC, the Bootstrap is a small parallel. Now we are going to learn about what is Bootstrap loader. Basically, the Bootstrap loader is a small program that has a single function. It loads the operating system into memory and allows it to begin operation. Basically, the what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a it start the operating system, like it start this window, it start this window and allow to begin the operation. Like I'm opening this Google Chrome, I'm opening this OBS, so I'm doing my operations. So what will happen? This Bootstrap first it will load the operating system, this window, and then it will allow me to work within this operating system, and it allow me to do any type of operations. The Bootstrap loader set up the small driver program that interface the control the various hardware. It basically set up and it will help you working with the hardware, and then it set up the division of memory. It set up the division of the memory, user information, whatever your information is in the computer, your file, folder, and then your applications, your Google Chrome, your Mozilla Firefox. It set up everything. Then, booting the PC, it establishes the data structure needed to communicate within the and between the subsystem and application of the computer. Basically, this is the structure. It is the structure of the computer that now this structure is working with it, and then everything is connected within the lines, and it shows the path that this is connected with this. So what will happen, these are the subsystem, this is the system, and these are the subsystem. So what will happen, it will make them communicate between the subsystem and the application. Like there is a subsystem and they all are communicating with the application, so that will the data structure needs to communicate, and that's what it needs to do. Okay, then it turn control of the computer over to the what will happen then, it will give all the control to the operating system. Like this is a relay race. So this is the computer, and then it is providing he is providing all the control of the computer to the operating system. Your desktop may look like this. It is basically the old computer, but it is just to make you understand about the GUI, the graphic user interface. So this is how your computer look like, your desktop look like, or look like this. Yes, that's what we are using. Okay, so do I tell you operating system? What do I want? You must continue the operating system command that text. Okay, so that's what your operating system needs to do. That is the symbol of on or off. All right, so this is how your computer works. So this is how your operating system works. This is how what is bootstrap, how it will work, the RAM, ROM, everything. It is very simple. All you need to do is to work, it's to read your book and search on the internet too. You'll find lots of articles regarding that. So that's all for today, and I hope the lesson is clear to you all. And I'll see you in the next class. In the next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz.